Are you happy, sir?
Hell yeah.
Oh no. Who are you?
What's up?
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. No, you smell like booger. Oh, school stuff? I'm recording. Too bad. What your new resolution, young man?
Oh, how you doing? Hello.
I know you're gay. Let's go. What are you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good, man.
Oh no. How are you doing today? No. You have your face. What are you doing today? Oh no.
All that reckless shit, dog.
Oh nah. Oh no,
I'm
cheesy.
here lonely shit. I got no ride.
Oh, you got me. Yeah, look good.
Me, my fucking man. We about to spit some shit.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
We on the right.
Oh yeah, we on the right. Oh, you fuck you ugly bitch. Oh, you about to rap? Let's go. There we go. Yeah, let's rap. Oh, you know that? Oh shit, no. See, let's go. We want the rap. Yeah. Models. Oh, you caught him.
Good night.
Oh no. Next station there. Lisa. Let's all run around.
Broadcast here on KYW 1060 AM. We'd like to thank City House to Finish, the Delaware River Welcome Corporation, and the City of Philadelphia, Mayor Red, and the City of Columbus.
Excuse me. Sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am.
Cooper's Ferry Development Association, and our sister stations, CBS 3 and the CW Philly, all of whom together with KYW News Radio help make tonight's fireworks possible. Tonight we'd like to wish everyone a sweet New Year.
Yeah, I start recording now.
And try to guess which sweet
Excuse me,
song
sir.
comes next. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's count down to 2011.
Pour it on the models. Is this enough recording? Do I have to record the fireworks? We come back. Go. Tom, hold this for me. Record the fireworks. Hold it. I hold the next one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Mikey turn, let's go.
What's up, dog? Like, where the fuck is the camera at?
Oh, let's go. Your turn.
What the fuck?
That's champagne.
I don't fucking care what it is. I'm like, no.
What?
That shit fucking crazy. Hold on, what we doing after this, huh?
I don't even know. Go back to scratch the
After party, man. I got the number right. It's supposed to be an annual fucking Pedro house thing.
Pedro do out. We can't go there no more. This is the first time. No New Year's at Pedro house. Tito just said it, yo. This is the first time. This is the first time we don't have New Year's at Pedro house. the Pedro out. I don't know. Who you fucking Pedro? Go ahead and be like, oh yeah. Okay, cigarette up. Please, sir. Hey, face this whole camera for me. Before final one. This will be in the end.
I'll hold it. I'll do it.
Okay.
I want to see it.
Back to the fireworks. Oh, you asshole. Grab me next. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, block it in. Block it in. Oh, pour it on the bottom. He can't hit. He's not ready. Let me show you how to fight. Give me one. Record. Yo, Brian, let's go. Let's go. I got you. Record the fireworks. Record the fireworks.
No, I won't watch it now.
Chris, can you record the fireworks real quick?
Huh?
Just put it in the air. I'll wipe my face off. Fucking bitch. Bitch ass nigga. Oh, you about to do it next?
I'm about to say it for you right now. No, I can do it myself. No, I can do it myself.
No, you gotta let me do it for you. No, you gotta let me do it for you. Oh, Ty, we not boys though. You won't let me do it. We not boys no more.
We're not boys no more.
Yeah, let me do it. Yeah, let me do it for you. No. I press it for you. I'm not gonna move it. You hold the box.
Are you for real?
I'm dead up. Thank you, baby. We're even now. We're even now.
I did it with my eye.
You poured like 5 liters in my eye, nigga. We're even now. Are we even now? Are we even now? We good. We good. Except mine got on my jacket too. I got on my shirt too. We're even. It's 2011. So why does your girl still smell like soy please. Hold it for one woman. Go start recording.
Okay.
Are you happy?
What
Are you happy, Francis?
Are this your New Year's resolution? Is this your